Stop and search.
Stop and search is a critical policing tool. Done well, it stops those intent on causing death, injury and fear in our communities. It takes dangerous weapons and drugs off the streets, and in doing so, it actually saves lives. When done correctly, the tactic is effective and has the support of Londoners. We acknowledge, though, that done badly, it has the potential to burn through trust with those we are here to protect.
The Met choosing to involve the community directly in the process of the stop and search trial is amazing. As a community, have to take more responsibility for being willing to teach police officers how to interact with us. So we get that opportunity, number one, to learn, to educate other people, to understand what is actually happening, but we also get to be directly involved in making a change.
This is why we're reshaping the future of stop and search. And over the last 18 months, we've worked with thousands of community members of all ages to create the new Stop and Search Charter. An agreed commitment between us and Londoners on how we will conduct stop and search going forward.
The Stop and Search Charter is an agreement between the Metropolitan Police and the communities that they serve in looking at how we do stop and search and trying to make sure that we're doing it in the best way possible. It's also an opportunity for the Metropolitan Police to show its commitment to change and that it is genuinely listening.
I have my own experiences of stop and search going back 7 years from now, and to be at the pilot of something that's going to be run widespread is a very overwhelming feeling, but positively for me, because it's like I'm the start of change and I'm the start of something that's going to be big.
The Charter will focus on improving the quality of stops and supporting officers through training, supervision and how complaints are managed, and also the use of technology, as well as raising awareness within communities of the law relating to stop and search. This will be accompanied by an independent governance process. It is the first of many steps that we're taking as an organisation to rebuild trust, to reduce crime and to help shape our standards going forward.
I think the future of stop and search depends on the community and the police working together. Stop and search is there to benefit the community and to help with the police in what they've got to do. So it needs us to work together.
With the charter being rolled out, how it is set to, it will improve engagement with the police and the community in a more safer way and get better outcomes. This charter can work. It's possible. And with our commissioner wholeheartedly supporting our Commander Ade and the youth that want this and community leaders, we need everyone to buy into this and roll this out the way it needs to be done.